our series of Halloween candle holders, today I'm going to make a spooky snake candle holder for Halloween. So let's start. For this craft, I am using air dry clay. Start by rolling the clay to make the body of the snake. So after leaving the snake for 24 hours, here it is, all dried and ready to be painted. So let's paint it.